everyone, welcome to Phoenix Poddar Learn School, Barshi. Myself Mrs. Maya Sawant, and today I welcome you all to the story session. So let's start, children, today's story. The name of the story is Red Riding Hood and Wolf. I would like to introduce character of the story. The first character is Red Riding Hood. The second character is Mother of Red Riding Hood. The third character is Grandma of Red Riding Hood. And fourth character is Wolf. So dear students, let's start today's story. Hello. The name of the story is Red Riding Hood and Wolf. So let's start today's story. I would like to introduce character of this story. The first character is Red Riding Hood. The second character of this story is Red Riding Hood Mother. The third character of story is Grandma of Red Riding Hood. And the fourth character of story is Wolf. So dear students, this is a character of this story. Red Riding Hood was a sweet little girl. She loved to go her grandmother's house, and her grandmother lived across the street. Every evening, Red Riding Hood would pack a basket full of food for her grandmother and go skipping happily to her grandmother's house. Now she reached her grandma's house. It is so lovely house. So what would she do there? Red Riding Hood. Red Riding Hood would help her grandma dust the house, fold the laundry, and do anything to help her grandma. Grandma would be happy to see Red Riding Hood. Grandma would make lovely homemade snacks for Red Riding Hood. She would make healthy snacks. She would cut fruits for her, make some nice potato, wheat snacks. But every time Grandma served the snacks, Red Riding Hood would turn up her nose and say, "Yuck! I am not going to eat these dirty snacks." What said Red Riding Hood? "I am not going to eat this dirty food." Then Red Riding Hood would take out her own snacks. I like wafers, pizza, soft drink. And then Red Riding Hood would start warming up all the snacks. Well, Grandma tried to tell her, "You must eat healthy food." But Red Riding Hood would just not listen. One day, as she was skipping merrily on the way to her grandma's house, a big wolf suddenly jumped from behind the tree and stood angrily in front of her. Red Riding Hood was very frightened. Where does this wolf come from? "Please take my basket. It has lots of food for you. Take it, Mr. Wolf. Take it. Please take my basket." The wolf snatched her basket from her and ran away. He's gone. Red Riding Hood was so realized. But as she started walking again, the wolf came back once more. He stood angrily in front of her and said, Is this what? What is this you call food? Wafers, noodles and pizzas and chocolates, you call this food? I need food, so you better get me food." Red Riding Hood was very scared. But this is what I eat every day. Every day, is this not food? "This is a junk food," said the wolf. "I need food healthy, so you better get me some food or else. Red Riding Hood said, No, no, I will get you food. Please tell me what you want. I will ask my grandma to make it for you. Oh, please, please. Said the wolf. Well, get me some delicious snacks made from biscuits. But remember that the snacks should be healthy. And yes, come back fast. I am very hungry. Red Riding Hood promised the wolf that she would bring what he wanted and quickly ran to her grandma's house. She was hopping and puffing. She reached grandma's house. Grandma had made some lovely snacks. There were apples biscuit, fruits biscuits, veggies biscuits. She quickly packed them all and her grandma was looking and then ran back to the wolf. She was hopping and she was puffing. She was huffing and she was puffing and she was completely out of breath. She handed the snacks to the wolf and said, Mr. Wolf, I have brought your snacks for you. Wolf said, let me test them. This one has biscuits with apples. Yum yum. And this one has some veggies. Yum yum. And wow, this one has sprouts too. If you had snacks like this, then you would not be tired and happy when you run. So come on and eat them with me. Red Riding Hood took a small bite and was ready to turn up her nose and say, Yuck, yuck. But as she took a bite, she found that it's very tasty. Yum, yum. Now, she said, this is a nice and it has my favorite biscuit too. Wolf said, now promise me, said the wolf, that tomorrow you will get me some healthy food too. Yes, yes, Red Riding Hood said, I promise. Red Riding Hood quickly promised and ran home. Next morning, with her mommy, she sat at the dining table and think about what to take. Her mama brought her favorite breakfast, 1-minute noodles. But Red Riding Hood pushed the bowl and said, I don't want this, mommy. I want something different, something healthy. Her mother was really surprised. Mom said, Red Riding Hood is not eating her noodles. Oh, that's nice. Here, sweetheart, we are having some rainbow chapati, roti noodles, wheat upma and some healthy rounds. Yes, mommy, give me all that. Red Riding Hood slowly packed some for the wolf in her basket and then she ran quickly waiting to meet wolf. Now she reached forest and said, where is wolf? Wolf said, nice. Said the wolf, this is a very nice. You must always eat a good breakfast. It will keep you happy and strong when you go to school. Now I am thirsty. Do you have something to drink? Yes, yes, Red Riding Hood says, it's a cola for you. Oh no, I don't drink that jug. It will spoil my teeth. I want some water. Give me some fresh water. Next time carry some water or fresh juice with you. And wolf disappeared behind the tree. Next morning, She was ready for school. She had eaten a healthy breakfast and had a full glass of milk. Red Riding Hood, Mummy, can I have some healthy snacks in my snack box? What said Red Riding Hood? Mummy, can I have some healthy snacks in my snacks box? Mama said, of course dear. What would you like to eat? I want healthy sandwiches and some fruit juice, and I want fresh water. Mummy said, that's nice. Red Riding Hood soon made up with the wolf. Red Riding Hood soon met up with the wolf. The wolf was surprised to see Red Riding Hood so early. What have you brought for me? I hope it is healthy. Yes, I have brought some lovely healthy snacks made with bread. And here is some water, fresh water for you. See, the wolf was very happy. Ha 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 ha, he laughed and disappeared behind the tree. The next day, Red Riding Hood was packing some parathas and her mother asked her, my dear, who are you taking that for? Red Riding Hood said, look at the box and said, Mama, this is for my friend in the forest. He is always hungry. Mummy smiled and said, is he the same friend that taught you to eat healthy food? Yes, Mama. He said that I should drink lots of water for my brain. And that's good food has proteins to make me strong and healthy. I am feeling so fresh. I don't huff and I don't puff when I run. So every day I am going to eat healthy food. Next day, Red Riding Hood went happily skipping to her grandma's house. She was hoping that the wolf would come. When she saw him, she was excited. She opened her snacks box and showed him veggies and chapatis. Ha ha, said the Red Riding Hood. So what should I bring for you tomorrow? Well, said the wolf, I have to take care of my baby, so now you will not see me anymore. Oh no, I will never see you again. Well, you are a good girl and you have started eating healthy food. So, if you want to make me happy, then I want you to teach all your friends about healthy food and change their eating habits too. Yes, Mr. Wolf, I will do that, promise. The wolf laughed and again disappeared behind the tree. Riding Hood was keeping away happily, proud of herself. But friends, as Red Riding Hood was keeping home, she did not notice that behind a tree, the wolf stopped to look at her. And slowly the wolf removed her mask. Yes, the wolf was none other than Red Riding Hood's daddy, who had worn the wolf's costume to teach Red Riding Hood about good food habits. Dad smiled. Red Riding Hood's mama was watching her from the window. Well, children, wasn't that a lovely Red Riding Hood and a wolf that likes to eat healthy food? enjoy this story, dear students? So listen, kids, eat your way to be healthy and happy like Red Riding Hood.